Question number 1. Which of the following is not considered as a titrometric method analysis? Options are redox reaction, complexation reaction, precipitation reaction, and gravimetric titration. Here, titrometric method of analysis include 4 reactions. They are acid-base reaction, redox reaction, precipitation reaction, and complexometric reactions. Okay, then gravimetric titration is a quantitative chemical analysis. Hence, the answer is gravimetric titration. Question number 2. Anthraquinone derivatives are generally detected by options are legal test, Balzet test, Bontrager's test, and sodium picrate test. Here, legal test and Balzet test is used to detect cardiac glycosides. Sodium picrate test is used to detect cyanophoric glycoside, and Bontrager's test is used to detect anthraquinone derivatives. So the answer is Bontrager's test. Question number 3. Test for acetoacetic acid in urine. Options are Gerard's test, Rothera's test, Fauchett's test, and Benzedine test. Here, Benzedine test is used to detect blood in urine, and Fauchett's test is used to detect bilirubin in urine or bile in urine, and Rothera's test is used to detect acetone or acetoacetic acid in urine. Acetone and acetoacetic acid in urine. But in case of Gerard's test, it is used to detect only acetoacetic acid in urine. These are mainly used for detecting ketones. Okay. Hence, answer is Gerard's test. Question number 4. Aerosols are packed in. Options are ampules, sealed metal containers, blister packs, and plastic containers. We know ampules are mainly used to store and transport single doses of medicines or samples. Plastic containers are also used in pharmaceutical products, but sealed metal containers are mainly used for aerosols. Hence, the answer is sealed metal containers or option B. Question number 5. Surgical dressings are sterilized in a hospital by options are hot air oven, infrared radiation, autoclaving, heating with bactericide. Here, the answer is autoclaving. In case of hot air oven, it is used to sterilize glasswares, scissors, scalpels, and ointment tubes, then oils and powders in small containers, soft and hard paraffins, wool fat and wool alcohols, then vehicles of oily injections, talc and kaolin, sulfonamides. In case of infrared radiation, they are completely safe and convenient to use and can be ideally used for culture tube and pipette mouths, platinum inoculating hoops, needle, tweezers, and other small instruments. It can also be used for sterilizing various metal and borosilicate glass instruments. Heating with bactericide. For sterilizing aqueous preparations which are unstable at higher temperature, we use heating with bactericide. Okay, here the thing to be noted is it cannot be used for the sterilization of injections, mean for intrathecal or peridural administration. It should not be used for intravenous injection when a single dose of the solution is more than 15 ml. Another important thing to be noted is temperatures. Here, hot air oven need 150 to 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, and infrared radiation need 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. And autoclaving for surgical dressing. It is important. Autoclaving for surgical dressing, the temperature needed is 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Okay, this is autoclaving for surgical dressing. Heating with bactericide require 98 to 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Question number 6. The most commonly used agent in stationary phase of thin layer chromatography is. Options are iodine, amino sugar, silica gel, and chloroform. Here the answer is silica gel. Question number 7. In biostatistics, the difference between highest and lowest data observation is called. Options are mean, mode, median, and range. Here the answer is range. Range is the difference between highest and lowest data. Question number 8. After oral administration, greatest amount of ion absorption occurs in. Options are ascending colon, stomach, duodenum, and transverse colon. Here, the answer is duodenum. Absorption of iron mostly occur in duodenum and proximal jejunum. Question number 9. Carbamide peroxide 10% is used in teeth as. Options are anti-plaque, anti-tartar, breath freshener agent, and whitening agent. Here, The answer is whitening agent. Anti-plaque agent used commonly in toothpaste is chlorhexidine. Anti-tartar agent used commonly in toothpaste is sodium pyrophosphate. And the breath freshener commonly used in toothpaste is sodium fluoride. Question number 10. Lactated ringer solution has dash of sodium and dash of chloride for each liter of solution. Here the options are 154 milliequivalents and 154 milliequivalents, 130 milliequivalents and 109 milliequivalents, 130 milliequivalents and 130 milliequivalents, and 109 milliequivalents and 154 milliequivalents. So here the answer is option B, 130 milliequivalents and 109 milliequivalents. That is, lactated ringer solution has 130 milliequivalents of sodium and 109 milliequivalents of chloride for each liter of solution.